Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about how I managed to turn $100 into $500 in 2 days. I'm going to show you exactly how we did it, the trades, how they worked and all of that. So now it's all about knowledge. It's all about knowledge. If you want to have a one-on-one class with us, we have a training that details how this whole thing is. On the channel too, if you move around the channel, you see videos that explain some of my strategy. But we have a detailed training that goes in depth on how we go about this, and we give a 1-year mentorship on that training that explains our strategy. At any point in time, you can reach us, call us again, ask your questions and all of that. And the course is so damn cheap. You can find the details below. So also, if you don't have an account with the broker we use, you can find all the links below. So with that being said, let's get into the trading. Please do, if you enjoyed the video, please drop us a like. If you have questions, drop it in the comment below, and then subscribe to the channel, help share the videos. It helps us a lot for the work we're doing. So thank you so much. So let's get right into the video. So this was my first buy, and the reason why I took the buy was that I took it based on a support level on the 5-minute chart on Euro USD. So that was why I took that buy. Now, more about that strategy, you'll find some videos within the channel. So let's see how that played out. So it was a 1-minute buy.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new
okay, so we won that trade, and onto the next trade. So I think I have to scan a little bit, for the next opportunity. And I think it took a little bit of a while before I entered into the next trade. So everything, if you notice on the chart, somehow I have 2 charts. One is a 1-minute chart, the other is usually higher time frame, maybe 5 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on the chart I'm looking at. And most of the time I'm looking at levels around the either bouncing off or continuation strategy. So if it's continuation, I wait for a little pullback and I enter in. If it's bounce off, I wait for a resistance or a support level and I follow it, and we enter our trade. Beyond that, on my screen you also find I put RSI, and then I put stochastics on my screen also. For the stochastics and RSI, usually I'm looking at oversold and overbought levels, combined with the current trend. So I always look at the charts briefly, look at the main thing, look at the higher charts, look at what's going on, in the market. And once I'm sure I've seen a pattern that I've seen before, I'm seeing the levels, I have multiple confirmations, I take the trade. So let's watch this next trade.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last.
So the first trade I took was the previous day. I took it in the evening. Then the other trades I took them the next day in the morning when the market was quite active. So this trade, I noticed on the 5 minutes chart on Euro USD, it was actually kind of pulling down, you know, and then it hadn't quite gotten to the support level yet. So I kind of anticipated that, it should at least reach, because of the pressure of the pull down, it should at least reach that support level before turning back around majorly or seriously. Now we already had 4 candles sell there, so I watched it, and of course we also used timing. The 5 minutes chart was just about to end before I took the new trade. Okay, so I took it as a sell. The mindset of at least we should have a little bit of a dip again before we have any pushback, especially with the fact that it was proceeding quite close to the next support level.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind.
Okay, so
if
we
you
have a
work
push
8
down.
hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a
Most of the time my eyes will be on
I'm a really big hitter.
the time there, the number of seconds left, 51, 52 seconds, 54, you know, watching. Okay, last push down, 59, we're good. Okay, so wonder, now we're at $264, so we're making progress. Okay, so after a while, scanning the market, you know, saw another opportunity, but this time it was on pound USD. So I started observing it, and then I took a buy. Now in the higher time frame, there's a lot. That's why I say that. That's why I recommend very much that most of us, you know, especially if we probably need a personalized training. For most of us, that's just the fact. Need a personalized training. That's what we do with the 1 year mentorship, you know, because a lot of knowledge comes into play, you know, because I'm looking at several factors: higher time frame, lower time frame, multiple confirmations, and I entered the trade. I entered this with $200. It was a bold step, but it paid off. So we're now at $428. Okay, so kept scanning, looking for another opportunity. I had already grown the account to a certain level, so I was quite careful at this point. Okay, so now in our class we explain why this kind of trade was taken. You know, this was just a typical pullback trade and continuation kind of trade, and that's why we took it as a buy. Of course, in the higher time frame, we could already see what was taking place. You see that on the higher time frame, it had actually turned around already. You know, so we just follow the trend with a buy. You know, looking at it to continue in the trend it was already moving strongly at. And this was my final trade before I paused. So if this video has been of benefit to you, please like and subscribe to this channel, you know, share with friends. I told you, if you have any questions, drop in the comment below. Ask your questions, reach out to us. We are here for you. So thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.